I used to love having a nice house.
Mhm.
I used to love having a nice car. Being healthy and financial freedom is definitely a success to a person's life. Ang success sa akin is when one day, when I meet the Lord, He will tell me, "My good and faithful servant, you have been faithful over a little. I will set you over much. Welcome into my kingdom." Ayun ang success para sa akin. So every day na when I wake up, and what inspires me syempre when I set my daily schedule, I wake up with the morning prayer, thanking the Lord for the blessing,
Yeah.
thank you for the wisdom, thank you for the gift of the Holy Spirit. Take good care of me and my family, and your will be done. So that's what I live by. So, if you ask me what's my inspiration, again, syempre, yun. And, because one day, everybody's gonna meet Him.